everybody. Today I am going to teach you in Unit 4 poem Tiger written by K.K. N. Daruwala. See here children, he wrote about how the tigers are under extinction and means their count becoming less day by day. Due to the killing of tigers, they are becoming very less. He is very so much eager to say about that we should not kill the species or rare animals. And in future, the generation can't see them. They are able to see only in photos or in pictures. Is it children? So here, before going to poem, here list some endangered animals. Endangered means under risk. Some animals are under risk, children. What are they? Yes, lion, tiger, elephant. Is it? Why? Because the hunters are going to kill them. They have lot of profit by killing that animals. Is it? Next, why they are considered endangered? Endangered. Why that animals are? We are thinking that animals are under danger because that hunters are going to kill them and they are using their leather, their bones, everything they are using and they are selling that one. So that the animals are under danger. Their count are becoming day by day less. Do you think it is right to kill animals? Is it right, children, to kill animals? No, it's not a right way. We should not kill the animals. Any animal. That too, rare and species animals, we should not kill them. What happens if the wildlife is endangered? What happens, children? Means in future generation, they are not able to see. That animals they can't see in live. They can see only in pictures. Is it? So this is very dangerous to kill the rare and species animals like tiger, lion, elephant, cheetah. Is it? Yes. Here the poet K.K. N. Daruwala. Daruwala wrote a poem about in concern of the tiger that day by day its count becoming less. They are under extinction. So what happened, children? Here he wrote their feelings. What will happen in future? How the tigers are feeling when their count are becoming day by day less. Is it? So he written that K.K. N. Daruwala wrote about the tigers. He born on 24th January 1937. 1937 in Lahore. It is now in Pakistan. He born on 24th January 1937 in Lahore. Now it is in Pakistan. He wrote about the tigers and he completed his education in Punjab University. Where, children? Punjab University. He finished his degree in Punjab University and he got Padma Shri Award. He got Padma Shri Award also for his writing. So here he had a concern about tigers and he wants to explain us that the tigers day by day they are going less and their count is becoming down. And in olden days, how many tigers were there? Now the strength became less. In future, what will happen, children? In future, again, the strength will becoming less only. Is it? So we should not kill the animals. So he wants to convey that message to us through this poem. K.K. Daruwala. K.K.N. Daruwala is a contemporary Indian writer who uses a lot of imagery from nature. He was always having lot of concern about nature, and he used to write about our nature only. In nature so many living things are there. Is it, children? That forest, living things. He was going to write about that one, and he wants to give us message that we should not collapse that one. He is winner of 1984 Sahitya Akademi Award for The Keeper of Dead. In 1984 he got Sahitya Akademi Award. Sahitya Akademi Award for one The Keeper of Dead. For this book he got award, Sahitya Akademi Award in 1984. The Keeper of Dead, apportioned in April, Crossing of Rivers, the Commonwealth Poetry Award in 1987 for another literary work. He got one more award for his literary work in 1987. While pursuing his craft of writing, K.K.N. Daruwala served in Indian Police Service. See, he did job also in Indian Police Service. He was also worker, that job holder. He did job in police department, and he becomes special assistant to the Prime Minister on international affairs. See, he become a special superintendent police for Prime Minister. He was under the Prime Minister, and he did work for a Prime Minister in international affairs. Some of its important works are Under Orion, A Summer of Tiger, and The Minister of Permanent Unrest and Other Stories. These are books that person wrote, that K.K.N. Daruwala. He worked as a police also in police department. He worked as a superintendent of police, or whatever the police job he did, and he helped to Prime Minister in international affairs also. So he born on 24th January 1937 in Lahore, Pakistan, and he completed his education in Punjab University, and he got Padma Shri Award, and he wrote this poem in the concern of tigers. So let us start the poem, children, and model reading and explanation of this poem now. The tiger is not burning bright either in shadow or in sun. See, he is telling that a tiger that is not in a position now to show its brightness or its talent. It became dull. Maybe in a shadow, maybe in daytime or in night time. It's not possible to tiger to show his brightness, talent. Why? The tiger family is thinking 2 by 2 and 1 by 1. See, tiger family nowadays becoming very less. If in olden days, if it was 2 by 2, now it became 1 by 1. If in future we are going to kill this type only animals, means it will become 0 by 0 only. Because these are very rare animals, children. We have to preserve and keep them for future generation. Is it? So here what that poet is telling, the tiger family is thinking 2 by 2 and 1 by 1. Means day by day its count becoming less. The tiger is not burning bright in the forests of the night. See, in forest also nowadays we can't see the tigers, because that hunters, they are killing the tigers for its leather, its bone. So that they are becoming less. In forest also they can't the brightness in forest at night time or daytime. No brightness, no talent, nothing in tigers due to their less in count, less in numbers. Or in the wilderness of day, we need to understand his plight. Here what happened, children? They are telling that wilderness means uncultivated regions, that some reasons they made that Bandipura sanctuary, that all forest they preserved for some animals only. That type, if we did, we can see in future tigers, lions, cheetah, leopards. Is it that one not happened? But what happening, children, here? That hunters are killing the animals, and they are in future we can't see the tigers also. Here that one he is telling to inform us that wildness also become very less. The tigers wildness also became very less because they are in scare that anyone may come and kill us. So they nowadays they were not roaring, they were not showing their brightness, their talent, nothing, because of they are scaring about the hunters. They may come and kill at any time to them. The father Sheru is missing now. Sheru has been shot and skinned. See, the father Sheru is missing now. See, Sheru means the name of a tiger. He gave one tiger as a Sheru. He is telling about that his father. Now his father is missing. In the forest, his father not there. Means someone taken out him. Someone killed that Sheru's father. The father Sheru is missing now. Sheru has been now shot and skinned. See what happened here? Father Sheru is not now in forest. He shot out and his leather taken, his leather removed from his body and his bones taken. They shooted that tiger. Poachers ground his bones to powder for some Chinese medicine. See what they are doing? They are going to make powder. The tiger's bone they are making powder, and they are exporting to China to make some medicines for human beings. For human beings health purpose, they are killing that one. They are shooting the tigers and they are removing the leather. That leathers also they are selling. Okay, and they are making powder, that bones of that tiger, and they were preparing one medicine for human being. See, for ourselves, for our sake, whatever we are doing children, for our health, we are going to kill animals. Killed the tiger, removed the skin and bones, and for the Chinese they were going to prepare one medicine from these bones of the tigers. So what the people are doing? They are killing the tigers, they are removing the leathers and they are making powder from its bone, and they were exporting to China to prepare medicine. Bones would bring them power, they thought, put life into some sickly man. See what they are thinking? That the bones of the tiger, the powder of prepared from the bones of the tiger, it gives strength to the man, power to the man. So what they are doing? They are killing the tigers, and with the bones of that tigers, they were preparing one powder, and they are thinking that that powder gives strength to man, power to man, that to sickly man, that who is not well, who is diseased with some diseases, and he may become weak, means by drinking the powder prepared from the bones of the tiger. If he drank that one, he will become soon powerful and his weakness will go. So sickly man they are going to give in the form of medicine. Their soul were sick. Killing tigers is something we won't understand. See, he is telling that man is not physically not sick. His soul is became sick. He became very violent, and he is thinking about himself only, not about the animals. Is it, children? For our sake, see what we are doing? We are killing the tigers to get strength, and we are killing, and that powder of that bones we are going to eat as a medicine and to become powerful. That he is telling that man is not sick, his soul is sick. Our thoughts are become sick. So he is telling, don't do like so, don't be violent. His skin is hanging on a wall for decoration. See what we are doing, children? After killing the tigers, we are removing the leather from its body, and we are going to decorate our house walls by putting that leather on the wall, we are going to decorate our wall. See how we became human beings? By killing that tiger, we want to decorate our house. So this is true cruelness. It shows our cruelness. So what we are doing, we are killing the tigers, and with the leather of that tiger, we want to decorate our house, means it's too cruel one. His bones are packed in plastic white. See what they are doing? They are killing the tigers, removing the leathers for decoration in house. And that bones they are making powder, that bones powder, and they were packing in white polythene plastic papers. They were packing that one and shipped out. Shipped out means exporting to some other countries for preparation of medicines. For in high amount, for high prices, they are going to sell that powder to other countries. For decoration purpose, we are killing the tigers, and for medicine purpose, we are going to kill the tigers. This is very bad. A gecko on the wall is hunting insects on his hide. Once jungles trembled at his roar. See, once upon a time, what happened, children? When tiger once roared, means that whole forest only trembling. Whole forest, whatever animals are there, they were very much scaring about the tiger. Now what happens, children? One small lizard also is not ready to scare for tigers, because no rare. That they were not ready to roar now, because if they roared, anyone may come and they may kill that tiger. So this type of situation came to that tigers. Once in jungles, what happens, children? Once if a tiger roar, means all animals will scare, and they wants to save their lives. So they will run away from that places only. But now what happened, children? A small lizard, that forest lizard also not ready to scare, because there is no rain. If they roar, means anyone will come and they will kill that one tiger. So they were not ready to roar also. Tree tops flew up, birds disappeared. See, once in past olden days, what happens to children? If once the tiger roar, means that all birds flew away and all animals scaring in the forest, and birds and animals will disappear from that place only. They will run away from that place. If tiger came, means all will starts to run from that place and they will go disappear. Monkeys screamed. Monkeys, what monkeys are doing? Monkeys were started to do some type of noise. In scaring, they were starts to shout. That what happens, children? If the tiger roar, means that all animals will scare, and monkeys started to do some noise with fear of that tiger. Now Gecko's nipples on his ear. Lord God had stamped upon his skin in equal stripes both night and dawn. See, God made stripes on tiger's leather. Is it, children? That is a yellow, black, this type golden and black stripes are there, no? That one compared to night and dawn. Night and dawn. Night means dark, black. Dawn means bright, white. This type he made stripes on the back of that tiger leather. He made that, God made some stripes, lines on the leather of that tiger. That night means black, dawn means bright white color. Black, gold and white color stripes are there on the leather of that tiger. His black and gold won't shimmer now. See, now what happened, children? His black, gold, black and white, that stripes are not shining now. Shimmer means shining. There is no shining in that stripes now, because that animals are under extinction. That they are rare animals. They are nowadays, all hunters are killing them and their count become very less. So he is telling with sad that now the stripes of the tigers are not shining. Boar hunter, forest king, he is gone. Boar hunter means practice of hunting the animals Practice of hunting the animals. Daily they have a practice habit of hunting the animals and eating that animals and selling the leather, bones of that animals. This become practice to them. Due to that one, what happened, children? So many rare animals are we can't see now only. What about our future generation? We should preserve for them, no? What is tiger means? If they ask means at least we saw in zoo we can see, in pictures we can see now. Is it? But in future, if we are killing this type only means in future generation they can see only photos. Is it? So he is telling that some have habit of killing the animals. We should leave that one and we should preserve the rare animals. So he is telling boar hunter, forest kings, he is gone. Hunting wild animals. Some have habit of hunting the wild animals. Why I don't know. Maybe to sell them for high prices and to earn the money, to make medicines, whatever it may be. Some have a bad habit of hunting the wild animals. Due to that one, what happened, children? Nowadays, so many animals we can't see now only. Is it in olden days they have in a lot of numbers they are in forest. Sometimes they used to come in villages also. But nowadays, see children, we can't see in forest also that rare and species animals. So he wrote this poem about the tigers, that Keki and Daruwala. He is Keki and Daruwala. He wrote about the tigers, extinction of tigers. In future we can't see tigers in forest, he is telling. And now only we should be aware and we should control the hunters to kill the rare and species animals. Okay. Now in short I will tell you the summary of this tiger poem. See children, nowadays what happened, that due to earning the money or due to one habit, the people are going to kill the animals. In that one, tiger is also one animal that now became very rare, that it became less in number. Its count become very less due to killing. Why we are killing that one means due to leather. Why leather we are using means to decorate our house, to prepare some leather materials. We are killing that animal, tiger, and we are removing the leather from its body, and we are using its bone. Its bone we are making powder and we are preparing that one for medicine. That we are exporting to some other countries to prepare the medicine. That people are thinking that medicine give power to man. That sick man can recover by drinking that powder. But what happened, children? He is telling man is not sick, his soul is sick. Our thoughts became sick. We should not think in that manner. He is telling to us. The poet wants to say that we should control now the killing of rare animals. And he is telling that children, some people for decorating the walls they are using its leather, and they for selling the high prices they are going to export that bones of the tigers. This is not the way. He is telling us not to do this type. We should avoid, we should control. Government should restrict. Now already did government, but we should, as a citizens of this country, we should have awareness about that rare and species animal. Government can't do anything alone. Okay, we should join our hands with the government. We should inform. Anybody is going to kill the animals means we should inform the government. That too, tiger, lion, this type of rare animals, we should not kill them, because in future generation we should preserve and we should show them this is tiger, this is lion. No, if we are going to kill in this manner only, in future generation they won't see live tiger or lion, panther, leopard. Is it? Yes. He is telling that one olden days what happened, children? Once tiger roared means that all birds flew away from the tree, and all animals with scaring they will disappear from that place only. Okay. Now what happened? Even a small lizard also not ready to scare, because there is no roaring in the forest. That stopped, the tiger stopped roaring because their count become very less and their roar also become very rare only now. Is it? So here now a small lizard also not ready to scare now. In olden days, if once the tiger roared means that all birds will flee away from that place and all animals will disappear from that place only. Due to our cruel ideas, we are going to kill the tigers. See children here, that straps on the tiger, that gold and black stripes, they become very dull now. There is no shining in their stripes. This type he wants, that KK and Daruwala, he wants to convey a message to us that we should not kill the rare animals. We should not hunt them. We should not sell them to other countries. We should preserve them for our future generation. This is about the poem Tiger. I hope all of you understood. You read the poem and try to understand and read the glossary. Okay, I will send notes of this lesson. Thank you.